Welcome back. It's Olivia. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So we just woke up and the kids are just playing. Oh my god, what did the kids do this time? Kids, what did you all do? This is my favorite carpet. You all know. Mommy, sorry, it was a mistake. A mistake? This is a humongous mistake. If it was a tiny mistake, I would let it slide. But this, come on, kids. You'll know better. Anyways, now how you're grounded for a week. Phoebe, you can go to your friend's birthday party, I guess. Yippee! Thanks, Mom. You're the best. Anyways, I'm gonna go and watch TV. Whatever. Come on, Noah. You know this is my favorite carpet. Now I have to just throw it away. Or just try to send the thing you just spilled. What did you spill? Baby food. What? Baby food, we only had 2 left. What's wrong with you? 2 weeks. You're grounded for 2 weeks. Whatever. I'm sorry, Mommy. I won't do it again. Okay, I guess. Come on, let's go and watch the TV. Breaking news, citizens. There's a tornado coming our way. Please seek shelter. Thank you. Oh my god, there's a tornado. What do? We don't even have a basement. We just, I guess hide under the table. That won't work. Whatever, come on. Come on, kids. Let's go to, I don't know where to go, actually. Just come on. Let's go to the washroom. Let's lock ourselves. Okay. Mommy, I don't want to die. I'm too young. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh my god, can you hear that noise? I know, kids, I know. It's horrifying. But I don't know what to do, actually. Wait. Oliver, hold the children. I'm gonna go and get the phone. Okay? Just give me a second. Mommy, be careful. Oh my god. Okay, the baby's in daycare, so I don't need to worry about the baby. Ring somebody, please. Okay, just give me a second. Alright. Hello. Yes, there's a tornado coming our way, and it's gonna hit our house any moment. Can you please come? Sorry, miss. We have loads of calls like this, but unfortunately, our company doesn't work this hour. What? There was literally a tornado. Sorry, miss, but that's how. Bye. See you soon. Oh my god. Mommy, I don't know what to do. Kids, don't worry. Come on, Noah. I know you're sad, you're grounded, and there's a tornado coming our way. But, I don't know. Ah! Oh my god, I have no idea what to do. Our house is literally wrecked. Guys, I'll see you in the next video, and I'll call the police station or something. I'm literally so scared. Okay guys, see you.